I was about throwing this old jean away, but this is what I made instead. Hi guys, welcome to my channel, The Sewing Precious. In today's tutorial, I'll be showing you how to transform an old pair of jeans into a super trendy cute top. It's beginners friendly and budget saving. All you need is an old pair of jeans, scissors, sewing machine, marker, pattern paper, and tape rule, and a matching thread. I already have a pattern I'll be using for this cute top. Opening the legs of my pants, I'll place my pattern and add half inch, 0.5 inch allowance, round it, and I'll be cutting this out. On my front pattern, I'll fold my piece into two to cut out my front pattern. These are all my pieces after cutting. Taking out my pattern paper, we're going to be stitching this cute top together. I'll spread out the front piece and I'll be adding the side piece to it as shown. I'll go ahead to secure with my pin. I'll take out my back pattern and I'll also be joining the back piece together. After pinning down, I'll go ahead to sew. After sewing, placing my back piece on top of my front piece, I'll go ahead to join the sides with my seam allowance. The label at the back of my trouser, I'll be using this to add a little bit of design at the front part. Now for my strap, I use the waistband of my jean trouser for my strap. I will just add the strap at the front part of the bustier to the back part of the top as shown. I'll do this and come back. Now after joining, this is what it is looking like. I went ahead to add that little pocket. I found that little pocket and I'll be adding it to the front piece. So I'll just hold this down with my pin and I'll be running a stitch round the pattern. Now I have this piece here we'll be using to finish up our neckline, so I'll go ahead to join the piece together. Now after joining the piece together, the width measurement is 1 inch. I'll just be using 1 inch, so I'll place this as shown and I will use my pins to secure it in place. I'll take this to my sewing machine and I'll be sewing this round and also giving it a top stitch. You can use your lining for this part. If you want to line in your top, you can just cut your lining the same way you cut the top and use your lining to close everything to have a clean seam. I'll go ahead to sew and make a top stitch as shown. Now for the last part, I'll be using my shoelace as my loop. So I'll be using 5 loops. I'll arrange them as shown, and I'll use this small piece. I'll sew on it and flip it to the wrong side of this top. I'll do the same thing for the other side. I'll be adding loops to this. 5 loops. You can do more than 5, or you can use a zipper if that's what you want. If you like this transformation, do not forget to like, share, subscribe, and also leave a nice comment. I'll be seeing you in my next video. Bye.